Hello and welcome to day 14. I'm going to keep this really short because you're very busy. Let's start with the yarn advent. Oh, still cold, isn't it? I'm going knitting in a little while. I need to have a shower and wash my hair and put a face on. I shall take some footage of what I have to eat. The diet has gone to pot. I've got here a double chocker mocha. So do give Barry your order. Soup of the day today is a rather luxurious one. We have got lobster and leek. Can you see Blue there? I don't know whether you can. She's just jumped up. I'm in Ella's room again because the light's quite good. Yeah, I can see her in the mirror. There's a mirror in front of me, but no, I don't think you can see her. Unless she jumps up here. Did you like the little bit of footage of me winding my winding my ball of wool up? Blue helped, as you could see. Socks are cast on for Ella now. Yes, so I'll show you something else in a minute. Not very good one today, is it? Got the dreamies because the heating isn't on in here. Yes, and Blue has come running in. She's now under my feet. Yeah, she's come running in because she likes it in here. God, the carpet's a mess. It needs a really good sort out in here, it does. Anyway, day 14 is the bookshop. Yesterday, remember, we met a gentleman, didn't we? And we don't know who he is. After her morning studying, Chloe got herself ready and ran down the wide staircase into the hallway to await her aunt. The house smelled so different from their farmhouse. Flowers and fragrances that were unfamiliar to Chloe filled the hallway and rooms. Today, they were going to Delamere, a bookstore on Rue Saint-Honoré that the gentleman recommended yesterday during their long conversation. She tapped her foot on the floor. Where was her aunt? She ran her fingers across the spines of the books and sighed with contentment, choosing a new pair of the most beautiful black lace-up boots later in the day. Ella's got, sorry, I will start that sentence again in a minute. Ella has got a really sparkly letter E hanging from the handle of her wardrobe. And yeah, Blue has just decided that she was going to reach up and scratch it. Anyway, she ran her fingers across the spines of the books and sighed with contentment, choosing a new pair of the most beautiful black lace-up boots later in the day at Le Bon Marché did not compare to being in that wonderful bookshop with its rich colours and hushed bustle. The smell of the books and the thrill of finding some of her favourite tales had been intoxicating. She had found a Christmas gift for her papa there and couldn't wait until their evenings together when he would sit and read to her again. So the cardigan I'm wearing, and you saw a little bit of when you saw my fat bum winding that yarn up, is a cardigan I knit ages ago. It's the first cardigan I ever knit in one piece, and it's got a hole in it under the arm somewhere I didn't do it very well, and I never blocked it properly, but it is really comfortable. I like it. Anyway, Blue has now jumped up onto the chest of drawers in here and he's looking down. Let's have a look at this yarn. Ooh, this is different to what we've had so far. I'm liking this one. Look at that. Ooh, yes, loving it. Lots of nice colours in there. Liking it very much. So that is day 14. Oh, I can't get you back in now. And everything just smells very subtly of lavender. Let's pop the little thing in there so we know that that is day 14. Although I'm putting the story in and that's got the day on it. Anyway, I have here Sorry about the little hiccup yesterday. I've got this gimbal, this Steadicam thing, and I didn't realise when I was filming it was juddering. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it was about to run out of battery. I don't know. So there was a little bit of footage yesterday that was a bit meh. Anyway, here are Harry's socks. Take it off the thing. I had to roll that over to fit it on. And they smell really nice of the sock thing that I used, the Euclan Jasmine. So there is the other one. Oh, and they're really soft. Anyway, that's me done. As I say, I'm off knitting. Back to school tomorrow, so it'll probably be another short one, I think. I don't know, we'll see. And it's going to be a long day at school tomorrow because I'm going to the theatre. I'm going to the Royal Shakespeare Company, Swan Theatre, is it? Stratford, to see A Christmas Carol starring Ade Edmondson as Scrooge. So I'll tell you all about that in another vlog. I hope Barry has looked after you and you have enjoyed the lobster and leek soup, and I will be back day 15 tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.